to successfully defeat that claim.
Do you have other cases in which you're engaged with the Kosovo government?
Yes. So we have another arbitration that's currently pending. It's the Credit international arbitration. There's a claim by Mr. Blerem Devoli that we are representing Kosovo, and then we have an arbitration involving Contour Global that we also are
the energy company.
Yes, the energy company.
Okay, so the claims of each are huge?
I can't discuss it right now because the arbitrations are still pending. So, but yes, you can safely assume that all of the claims involve significant amounts of money. Usually arbitration claims in international arbitration are not filed unless they involve significant sums. And so all of these claims are significant, some more so than others, but
which one is the most difficult one?
They're all complex. I don't want to rank them in terms of difficulty, but we are confident every time we take one of these cases. Some require more work than others. I would never predict the outcome of any arbitration. I think one of the things that you learn as a lawyer, whether you're in courts or in arbitration, is that no matter how confident you are that the law and the facts are on your side, the reality is that the judge or the arbitrators may have a different opinion, and so you can never be sure of what the outcome will be until you actually receive the judgment or award. So I wouldn't speculate.
The Contour Global is American, right?
Used to be American, now it's a British company listed on the London Exchange.
And Credit is somewhere from Baltic, I'm not sure which country. It's Estonia.
Yes.
But Mr. Devoli is local, so my question is how it differs from the case of Mr. Devoli for the mobile, I guess.
Yeah.
How does it differ with those being a British-American company and with the one being Estonian?
It differs in the sense that different issues arise in these types of cases. So speaking generally in international arbitration and in investment arbitration, one of the key questions is jurisdiction. Who is protected by, let's say, Kosovo's law on foreign investment? Who is a proper investor under the law? So there's really very little dispute. For example, the Credit as an Estonian company would qualify as a foreign investor, right? They really are from Estonia, etc. There are questions in many of these arbitrations that arise when a claim is filed by someone who is a Kosovo citizen living in Kosovo, for example, whether they qualify as an investor under the law on foreign investment, whether the law is intended to protect someone who is a domestic Kosovo citizen who happens to have citizenship of another country. And so those are different types of issues that arise, and it goes to the question of whether the tribunal even has jurisdiction to hear the case, because the first thing that has to be established is that the person making the claim is actually a foreign investor. So that's how they differ.
Okay, so I know that the company you represent has been involved with Kosovo government for many years, and Mr. Frank Wisner, an ex-envoy, American envoy, is part of it, so one who is very much respected in Kosovo. I don't know if something changed when the new government came, or how do you win this? I guess there are public calls or something in which
absolutely.
The Ministry of Justice, in this case, chooses a company to represent Kosovo in this case.
So we participate in a public tender like everybody else, and we get the cases the way anybody else would get the case, which is we generally provide the most competitive bid, both in terms of price and in terms of the quality of work that we provide. So as far as I know, we got, as far as I can recall, we were awarded every contract because we were the most competitively priced bid, and because of the quality of the people that we were putting on the bid in terms of the lawyers that would represent Kosovo.
And your competition would also come from U.S., other U.S. companies, right?
Not just the U.S., internationally. So UK, France, Germany, and many other countries. I mean,
but I think American ones are like the best known for this kind of cases.
So I don't want to say best known because there are many high quality firms that are based in Paris, for example, based in London, and they participate in these tenders as well. And for example, European offices of U.S. firms will participate in these tenders. So technically it could be a U.S. firm, but it's really the European office of a U.S. firm that's doing it.
Mir, I said something in Albanian, sorry.